Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an app on Play Store. So let's get into it. First of all, search for Google Play Console. Open the link. Log in with your Google account. Tick the box that says Accept Developer Agreement. Click on Continue to Payment. There is a one-time fee of $25 by which a developer can open an account loaded with functions and control features. Click Buy. After paying this one-time fee, you can submit apps to Google Play Store for free. Once you are on Google Play Console, click on Create Application. Select a default language and add the name of your app as you want it to appear on Google Play. Now click on Create. Let's prepare the store listing. It contains a title of the app, a brief description, and a full description. You may add from 2 to 8 screenshots. Choose the ones that show the app functionality and value the most. Select the application type, game or app. Then pick the category that your app fits into. Here, you should provide the support service contacts. By filling the website URL, email, and phone, you make it easier for the users to contact you if necessary. Google requires you to add a link to the privacy policy. Click on Save Draft. Finally, you are ready to upload your Android app file. Let's go to the App Releases section on the left panel. Here, you will find 3 options for publishing the app: Production, Beta, and Alpha tracks. Upload an APK or app bundle. The release name will be added automatically. Click on Save. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.